this gun needs to remain warm so that it functions more efficiently and better, because the foam comes out more efficiently and better and faster, and we have more pressure to push the foam down into the wall when it's warmer. So we always want to make sure this is warm. Don't leave it in a cold attic. And then in order to start this, we're going to do two things. Number one, we're going to unlock the trigger, and that'll allow us to pull the trigger a little. And then we're going to adjust this, which is the flow. And this allows, if we open it all the way up, we get a lot of flow and it goes crazy, which is probably too much for what we're going to do here now. And if we adjust it down a little bit and then pull the trigger, we get just enough to inject down in the wall. Now our goal here is to fill in and inject this with foam so that it expands and it blocks the hole. And we're going to do the same in here and here, where all the air is coming up out of the house. The same with here, because what's happening right now is the warm air is rising up and out of the house and the cold air is dropping in. So we want to seal this. This is what's called air sealing. So when we stop the heat from leaving, the air from leaving, we stop the heat from leaving with it. So I'm just going to demonstrate how to use the gun. We want to force this gun down into the hole and inject the foam into the hole. It doesn't do any good to float on top. It has to go inside the hole. So if I push this down and open it a little bit more, and it has to go down and in. Now you see this is a little bit wet. That means that it's a little cold. It's too cold. It needs to be warmer. So we'll put this gun down in here and we'll fill that hole, and the gun over here and we'll fill that hole, and the same with here. And this foam will continue to expand. And then we're going to get it down in this point right here. And the same on this side. And here. Because underneath here is wood that we can't get to. And we'll do it over here. Down in. We want to make it go down. And the more we can get down in there, the better the seal. The better the seal, the lower the number for the blower door. And that's how you make bonus money. So the better job you do with this sealing, with the expandable foam, and that is still fighting a little bit there, huh? Now on a rafter, we want to get underneath the rafter here in the hole, and underneath the rafter on the other side. So you could see over here that it's come through the other side. If you could get down there low and see where the foam came out. You see that little bit of orange right there? Which means we did a good job injecting it from the other side. And we want to do the same all the way across. Down in. Oops. And we could push it down a little bit so that it squeezes in. It doesn't hurt to go across. So down and in is the most important thing, so that we can do a great job sealing. It looks like we have a rodent issue here. And you can see that it came through the other side when we pushed it in here. So we did a good job. All right. Same with that. All righty. Clean it off periodically. And I'm just going to do it to the end because why not?